Now reaction with chemical reaction with acids. Okay, in the second video I will explain that how metals react with acids. Generally a metal react with acids. Okay, generally all metals react with acids, but some metals are there which do not react with dilute acids. Okay, and when metal reacts with acids, they releases hydrogen gas with a pop sound. Okay, they create pop sound, or you can say the bubbles are creating pop sound. Okay, now to check this we can perform one activity. Okay, as you can see here in the picture, what we have to do, we have to take metal strips in the beaker. You can see here it is a beaker. Okay, in this we have to take these metal strips and then fill it half with the acid solution. Okay, acid solution we have to take and fill it with this in the beaker, and then you can see that metal is reacting with the acid solution. Okay, they forms bubble on their sides. Okay, you can see that there are bubbles forming. Okay, I will send you one activity, you can see in that. And these bubbles, they just releases in the form of gas. Okay, here as you can see in the picture. Okay, and when you just bring a matchstick or burning matchstick near to this, okay, you can hear a pop sound. Okay, so the presence of hydrogen gas is confirmed by bringing a burning matchstick or candle near the gas. Okay, and when the burning matchstick or candle produces a pop sound, when it creates a pop sound, it means that hydrogen gas is evolving from this solution. Okay, which confirms that metals are reacting with acids and they are releasing hydrogen gas. Okay, now it is found that some metals do not react with acids. Okay, like copper do not react with dilute acids, but it react with concentrated acids. As you can see in the picture, see, in the first one picture, when we keep the copper in dilute hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid, it will not react. Okay, because copper is more stable than the hydrogen ion which are present in the acid. Okay, but when we keep the copper in the concentrated acid, okay, here it is concentrated acid, so you can see hydrogen gas, hydrogen bubbles are formed. Okay, hydrogen bubbles start evolving from this. Okay, and now for non-metals, what will happen when acid reacts with non-metals? See, generally non-metals do not react with acids. Okay, non-metals do not react with acids. I hope you have understood.